Chicken bread lasagna is a delightful fusion dish that combines the rich, creamy flavours of classic lasagna with the soft, comforting texture of bread. Instead of pasta sheets, layers of fresh bread slices are used, stacked with tender shredded chicken cooked in a savoury, mildly spiced sauce. Each layer is smothered in a creamy white sauce, cheese and flavourful chicken filling, then baked until golden and bubbly. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Bread Lasagna. It's a quick and creative twist on traditional lasagna, perfect for those who want the cheesy, indulgent experience without the effort of boiling pasta. Soft inside with a golden top, this dish is hearty, wholesome, and a guaranteed family favourite. Let's get begin. Step 1. Making lasagna. Stuffing, add 2 to 3 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic cloves. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies. Sauté well. Add 1 chopped onion. Sauté well. Half teaspoon oregano. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, or as per taste. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon green chilli sauce. Half teaspoon spicy sauce or garam masala. 1/4 cup tomato ketchup. Roast well. Add 1/4 cup boiled corns. 1 chopped tomato. Half cup mixed capsicum. 500 grams boiled shredded chicken. 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Combine well. Cover and cook 6 to 7 minutes. At this point, you can add half cup grated cheese also. Add some coriander leaves. Our chicken stuffing is ready. Keep it aside. Step 2. Making white sauce, take 1 tablespoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon plain flour. Roast well. Add 3/4 cups of milk. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Keep stirring. Reduce the quantity until thickens. You can also add cheese to it. Step 3. Flatten the breads. Add salt in sauce. I forgot to add before. combine well. Step 4. Layering grease oven-proof dish with oil. Add stuffing. Put the flattened bread slices, put cheese on the bread. Again, add stuffing. Sprinkle coriander leaves. Chili flakes. Repeat the same procedure to create more layers. Bread slices. Pour white sauce on it. Spread it. Sprinkle coriander leaves. Repeat the same procedure for all. Chicken stuffing. Spread it. Mozzarella cheese. Chili flakes. Make as many layers as you wish. Spread white sauce. Lasagna means a lot of cheese. Sprinkle red chili flakes. Step 5. Baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. Chicken lasagna is ready to serve. Cut into desired pieces and enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.